why are you calling me at this hour, Peyton?
Penny, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning, and plus, today we're going to the beach, so I
What are you talking about? We're not going to the beach.
Yeah, we are. 16-year-old beach day is always
OMG,
Saturday.
that sounds so fun. I totally forgot. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. So anyway, I'll flip the camera to show you the two bathing suits I've been, debating about.
Okay.
OMG, those look amazing. I like the pink one.
Okay.
Pink is my favorite.
Kind of going with that one. Oh, and by the way, Skipper said to tell you that she's going to pick everybody up around 10, and we're bringing the Jeep. Peyton! Huh? You have to pour my fruity cereal. Haley, get out of here. No, I'm on the phone. Pour my... Oh, hi, Penny. Pour my fruity cereal! You don't even have a bowl. I'll go get one. Well, I guess I have to go pour fruity cereal. Yeah, I kind of have to go too. Nice talking to you. I can't wait for the beach day. I can't wait for the beach day either. Bye, Pen Pen. Bye, Pen Pen. Bye. Now, what bathing suit should I wear? I should wear my purple polka dot one. Get it down, bottoms, and my top. Yeah, and then I'll wear shorts too. Okay, dropping stuff. Whoa. Penny, breakfast! Coming, Mom! Gotta hurry up. Okay. So, what's everybody doing on this fine Saturday morning? Lacey? I'm going over to play basketball with my friends. I have a bathing suit on, so beach day with my girls. Who are your girls? Dopehead, they're obviously Peyton, Skipper, and Mia. Yeah, that's right. Rapunzel's coming over here, and we're science partners, so we're gonna work on our science project. How about you, Henry? What are you doing, Dad? Me and some of my friends are going over to the golf course, and we're going to play mini golf. Sounds fun. Me and Ken are going to skateboard at the park. I'm going to a sleepover, and Aaron's going to drive me. See all my bags? Jack said we're going skateboarding at the skate park. They're all fun activities. I wish I could join you, but I have to go to the office. Aaron, that means you're in charge of the house because you're the only one home. My mom buys that. See you, girls. Boys. Yeah, Una, we should probably be getting going too. Okay. Let's get one bag and this bag. Coming. Bye, Una. Bye, Mom. If everybody's heading out now, I should probably be going too. Bye, guys. Bye, Dad. I should be going as well. Have fun at the beach. Thanks, Mom. I should probably be getting ready too. Let's do this. Towel, love the stripes. Let me put it on my bed. Okay. Big swan floaty. And last but not least, my flippers. Time to go swimming. Yeah. The first thing I need is my beach bag. How am I going to fit all this stuff in my bag? Oh, it's amazing. I think this spot's good. Let's get in the water! Go on without me. I just want to see. Okay. Peyton, want to come? Hang on, wait. Yes, I am like so sandy. There. Come on. sandcastle?
Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. Let's do it.
Good. I'll get a bucket and start. I don't have any sand buckets, so.
Pretty good. A little more. Yeah, we need a lot more. Come on, let's make it like a bridge thing. Come on. Don't knock it over.
How about we make like pillar things that come up? Do you guys want to get in the water? Yeah we do. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, well if we go deeper then we can have a splash pad.
Okay, but
Splash pad! Well, we're not. Let's go. Okay. This way. Peyton! Are you okay? Oh no, guys, look, there's another way. Oh no. Hold to me, Penny. Why do you always say hold to me? That's not a good idea.
yeah, it is.
No,
good
it's
idea.
not.
It is too.
It's not.
It is too.